I'm on a mission to inject my favorite mini bike with steroids. I'm flying to a top secret testing facility in Northern California where some of the best bikes in the world are being developed. Little did I know I'd be leaving part of my old self behind, returning a new man. This is my quest to add power to a bike that doesn't even need it. I was picked up by armed security in a bulletproof van and escorted to the top secret location where my life would change forever.
Come on, goats.
So cute. KO quad. Don't let it run off on you.
People literally call me all the time. They're like, bro, I saw this crazy video where some guy had a quad that ran away and I heard your voice.
You know what? Be careful with that. If you plug it back in and the throttle is like doing weird shit, it could take off.
Okay, that'd be funny though.
The controller will be
Oh sh! He probably made that phone call from here. We are behind the scenes at Electro & Co. This is where customer service, order fulfillment, product development, tune refinement all happens. And this is a first time look behind the scenes. Mini trucks are undeniably a backbone of Electro & Co. Usually people buy these trucks because they're funny, but here they're really put to work and there's like 10 of them. The security here is outstanding. I've never seen such intimidating barriers to entry. We're at Electroland, a vast stretch of wilderness planned to turn into an electric bike riding paradise, but some of it is just too beautiful to tear up with a bike and they really care about preserving that. I'm obsessed with these mushrooms laying atop this stone. This tree fell and it split this tree in half. That is just
right down the center.
karate chop to the tree.
Oh God, Morty, man down.
Oh, he fainted? Wait, they actually faint?
Yeah.
One of the best things about Electroland is that you don't have to leave. They have an entire village of tiny homes that they're developing. These are the larger ones with the lofts. The first one that's complete is this one, and it's where I'm staying tonight. It is so cozy here. You get the couch, which turns into a bed, dining area, kitchen area. The mini fridge came stocked with bitchin' sauce, fruit, snacks, Oreos, coffee. I hung my helmet and my jacket up, made the bed, turned on the TV, blasted the heater because it gets cold here at night, and it was a vibe. The next morning I woke up, I realized I'm literally on a riding trail. How sick is that? There's probably more RTRs here than people, so I picked a random RTR, wiped the ice off it, and rode up to the main house for breakfast. This is an RTR with upgraded tires. It looks awesome. I'm definitely doing this to mine. But that's enough distraction. I came here for a reason. We're finalizing these tunes before we start our first test. We have 4 RTRs. 1 is stock and 3 are upgraded. And our goal today is to blind test the modified bikes to decide which kit is the best and which kit should become publicly available. Our first challenge today is loading up the mini truck.
How are we gonna do this? I'm not really sure.
Put the next one in backwards so the bars aren't connecting.
Yep. Just one solid mass of RTR.
That is solid.
They all just fell over.
No!
Oh boy.
Last time I was in one of these, we put the Stark in the back. Okay, little rotor action. If there's any rotor rubbing, we are forgiven.
This is how the professionals do it.
Do you ever do this like with your spare batteries? You keep them in your sock. Triple GoPro battery methodology right there. When they run out, you put them in the other sock. So you got the charged batteries, uncharged batteries. Let's go.
1 is stock, 3 are modded. Let's see which one wins. It's not really a competition. It's more like James May calls it the fizz. Which one gives you the fizz?
Nice, I like that. Okay. I'll start on the stocky just to reset my perspective here. Well, I got gloves, come on. Didn't get me this time. This bike just doesn't even need to be upgraded.
Got 3 choices.
Let me go on the Ronster ride red. It's calling my name. So this bike has an upgraded motor and controller, stock battery, and among the 3 bikes, it's gonna be somewhere on the spectrum of either torque or acceleration focused. Let's see how it feels. Whoa. Okay, definitely torque. Holy shit. Then we got a higher top speed too. Crazy how much it pops up the wheel. Wow. Yeah, that's much torqueier.
A lot more snap.
They're all gonna feel more torquey, which is great. So anyone that's upgraded, they're definitely gonna get more torque.
This is the next bike that's upgraded with a motor and controller, but a slightly different motor. So let's see how this one feels. This bike really wakes up with the controller and motor upgrade. Okay. Also crazy torque. There is a different feel to these different motors. I would say the red one felt a little torqueier on the low end, but this one keeps it a little more in the high end. I'm loving the blind test because so much of a riding experience is just based on your expectations. It's important to say that the colors here make no difference. The red plastics from Ronster rides versus the white plastics from Electro & Co. are not affecting this test. This is the third and final bike to test here. Let's see how it feels. Okay, less torque for sure off the low end. Didn't pop the front wheel up, but I can tell the top speed's higher on this bike. Whoa, 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 it pops up the wheelie at a way higher top speed. So it has more torque at a higher speed, as opposed to all at the low end. Wow, this might be my favorite one. It's got just as much torque as the other two. Maybe a little bit less torque on the low end, but there's so much on the low end on those, it's okay to have a little bit less, but then you get more torque at the high end. So I just popped a wheelie at like 20, 30 miles an hour. I'm so curious, since you know what the difference is between these.
This is the highest top speed motor. You are correct. I rode it earlier. Right off the bat, it felt the best.
So it's the way that the motor is wound, the way the coils are wound inside the motor, right? That's what the difference is?
Exactly. Between these three, but we need to go put them out in the dirt and see how we feel about that.
That's it, the dirt's next. So this is the upper track built for mini bikes.
My recommendation, ride the stock bike for a few laps.
Nice.
If you haven't ridden the track before.
Yep,
Yes.
I'll follow you on the stocky. Let's go. Hell no. This thing's huge.
This looks scary. If you just go off of it at like 10 miles an hour, you're making it.
Being both wheels off the ground's like not something I'm used to, but I like it. Oh, I'm panting. It's a workout too.
Boom! Boom, is that trademarked? I feel like it's trademarked.
Or blurred out,
Oh,
blurred
we're
out.
so sorry to hear about your brother that passed away. He gets 5 big booms.
No matter which one of these you're riding, you may find that it's almost too much torque. Just be careful because it'll sky you. It's like power, right?
It's too much. I can't handle that. Somebody else can, but not me.
You looking at me?
With some supermoto wheels on here, then I'd be in my element. This would be perfect.
You look pretty good out there. You look pretty good. I think probably a lot of guys don't realize how much talent this guy actually has. You don't just hop off the street doing wheelies and come out here and clear a double. Like, you just don't.
Thank you, Austin. I appreciate that. I love the dirt. I'm trying to ride more and more. I'm trying to hit one of those whips where you're in the air and I'm looking back like this. That's me in the air. Badass
Dude, I've been
whip.
practicing every day, and the most I can get is a head whip. The bike just stays still.
And I want to trail you on this one.
You want to trail me?
Yeah.
Okay.
See if I can keep up.
Should I go fast actually, or should I stay in the shot?
Huh? You don't think I can keep up? Huh?
I mean, I wasn't trying to insult you. Or
I took it as an insult, and I'm going to prove you wrong. Go as fast as you can, buddy. I'll be in your ass. In your ass. Oh, I'll be on your ass.
This brakes need adjustment, but okay.
Excuses already. That's crazy. Oh, yo, 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 yo. Oh man, I already lapped you. What's going on?
I'm too slow, dude.
You were going too slow. It threw me off my rhythm, so I spun out in the berm. Go a little faster this time, okay? Let's see it.
My bad, my bad.
Follow me, if you can. I would think the jumps are like the hardest thing for me, but it's just making these turns without sliding out. What's the technique?
Normally when you turn on flat ground, you turn the bike down, but your body stays up.
Yes.
In a berm, lean your body into it more similar to a street bike. Because if you like
Yeah, hella leaning into it.
Oh! Yeah! Yeah, you were almost there.
That was one of those slow-mo falls where you're in the moment, like trying to save it.
I don't know. I thought it looked pretty graceful.
I'll take it.
Is it safe? Question mark.
Look at this. Wow. No way.
Just up to this little crow's landing.
Whoa. Yeah. It's funny because the name of this bike is the ETM RTR. ETM, I call it the RTR, but ETM is the official first name of this bike, and that stands for Electric Trail Machine. But it's the first time I've actually ridden it on the trail. And it's absolutely a machine that I can't control. Oh my God, we're going off trail. I'm on the modified RTR that we agreed has the best motor setup. We're herding the goats. Are they faster than the RTR? Let's go, come on. So here we're passing my cabin. This is where I spent the night. And then boom, there's a trail right here. Come on. Look how green it is. I can't get over it. I never ride in grass. In fact, I think riding in grass is really bad in SoCal because usually if you're riding on grass, it's either private property or it's like a public park. And we always end up, or I don't ever ride in the grass, but people who do end up tearing it up. Dude, it's so cool riding this bike with more power because I've been riding my RTR so much and I'm so comfortable with the power, and then now I'm like, whoa, I'm not used to this. Oh. Wow. Flying. This is so cool. If you have two friends that like riding and you aren't considering all getting RTRs, you're tripping. Let me love you. That hurts, that hurts. Yeah. Dude, I want to move here. Time to ride. Come on, dude. Tell me the red is not sick as hell. So the red and the gold forks are exclusive to Ronster rides. Only on Ronster rides, baby. Dude, these little trucks, I'm obsessed. Big water tank in the back so that they can spray the jumps when it's not so wet here. It's perfectly wet here now. Dude, this is sick. Totally feel like a kid again being here. Mini trucks, big inflatable ramps, tree houses. Electroland's like Disneyland for cool people. Let's go! Wait, that's so sick! That's so scary. That's terrifying.
It's terrifying, huh?
Yeah. Dude, he makes it look so fun and easy. Makes it look so easy. Yeah, dude, I'm doing this. I'm doing it. Where are you looking when you're doing it?
Whenever I'm looking, you're going.
So you're looking at the tip of the jump, or you're looking at the landing?
I'm looking at the landing.
Oh shit! I kissed the shit out of it.
You want your chin over. You want to just stay like above the bike.
Okay, I'm gonna be hella above the bike. Oh shit! I understand it now. Let's go, dude. Oh shit! Oh. That was awesome. I overshot that one. Yes! Oh my god!
There you go.
Now we're talking.
Get over here.
He was a quick learner. Jesus.
Lower it, lower it. There you go. Nice.
Here we go, baby.
Let's go. Look at this. We got a real cameraman right now for the outro, but I got something really exciting to announce. This bike, this red RTR that was the first bike I've ever hit a real jump on, is being given away. We're going to put the kit, the mod kit that we decided today was the best of the three, into this red RTR and give it away, possibly to you. All you have to do to enter this giveaway is to check out Electro & Co.'s latest YouTube video, because they're making YouTube videos and they're awesome. They're really good videos. To enter, check out Electro & Co.'s latest YouTube video and comment why you want to win this red RTR so you don't miss the announcement. Go ahead and hit subscribe to Electro & Co. on YouTube. It's time for me to fly back to LA. I got a lot of exciting things coming. This red RTR could go to you. As always, thank you so much for watching until the end. Stay tuned.
Yeah.